Hey guys, happy Thursday, May 28th. I've got a little activity for you to partake in if you have time today, or if you feel like you don't know what to do on this Thursday. This is a fun little one. Today we've got a reading of the book with no pictures. But I'm not going to be reading it in this video because this video actually has a student audience and it's read by BJ Novak, who's really funny. But this book is best read with a live audience, and you'll see why in the video. And I've also attached a little creative drawing activity that goes along with this story. Since there are no pictures in this book, you get to have an opportunity to be the illustrator for some of these really funny things that pop up in the story. So I've attached here the link for the reading, which is a lot of fun. So it's on YouTube. You can click that and I'll bring you right there. And then we've got this fun little document. You can print this out at home, or if you don't have a printer, you could just draw these things on a separate piece of paper. But here we've got, let's create some pictures for the book with no pictures. So here are some things that pop up in the story, and I've got space for you to draw what those things look like. And I know some of these words are super goofy and they aren't really an actual thing, but that's where you get to use your imagination and make up what is a blork or a blurf. Okay, after you read the story, it'll make a little bit more sense. So that is the activity I've got for you today. Have an awesome, awesome Thursday. Friday, I'm going to have an opportunity for you to upload pictures, video evidence of anything that you did creative over the week. Thank you for sharing those. They're always so fun and encouraging for me to see and your peers to see. I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome day.